Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 17. The agricultural policy in Nigeria that is aimed at developing land and water resources is referred to as A. Green Revolution, B. Land Use Decree, C. National Accelerated Food Production Project, D. Operation Feed the Nation, E. River Basin Development Authority. So we are looking at different agricultural policies in Nigeria that have been put in place for different reasons. So we are looking for the one that its aim is to develop land and water resources. So the Green Revolution, the aim of the Green Revolution is for self-sufficiency in food production. So that is the aim of the Green Revolution. Now, for the Land Use Decree, the Land Use Decree is basically for regulation of land management. Regulation of land management. Now, for National Accelerated Food Production Project, that is also for self-sufficient food production. Now, for Operation Feed the Nation, that was established for the purpose of agricultural extension and mobilization. Agricultural extension and mobilization. Then for River Basin Development Authority, that was established for the purpose of water resource development for agricultural production. So water resource development to boost agricultural production was what the River Basin Development Authority was established for. Now, from this, the goals of these policies, we see that the River Basin Development Authority aims at providing or improving water resources so that agricultural production can also improve. So it's safe to say it's aimed at developing land, that is via the agricultural production, and also water resource development. So the correct answer is E, River Basin Development Authority. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.